Hello, and welcome back to the YouTubes. Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing it as I said. Today we got some more Evolving Skies. We got Evolving Skies ETB and 2 promo blister packs, just so we can get all the promo cards we need for the Master Set. I need some, the reason why I'm opening the Elite Trainer box first, I got some tins I actually got before this one, but I need the box inside to like store my cards, you know, as building up fast all the cards I need to protect or keep somewhere, like all the extras, hollows and all that stuff. But let's get right into it. We're gonna start with the trainer box to see what's in here. That's only my second trainer box. The first one I did was a celebration, and this is my second, so we don't even need a knife today. The postal service did the job for us, so yeah, it's always wonderful. You can always count on the Danish postal service on keeping your pack safe. But yeah, let's get into it and see what's inside of this. I guess it's almost the same as the celebration, but yeah, you have to open it to see it. Yeah. This is a nice one, I think. The celebration was nice as well, but you can also get this one with the other evolutions, but the colors are more like some not so shiny purple and pink and stuff like that. I'm not too much into that. I think that one is way more prettier. We of course got the guide here with all the set and all that stuff. That's good as well to know how to put the stuff in the binders. Let's see here. Oh. Starting with a little training guide. The dices and coins, we already got those. Plenty of those, it's a different color, but yeah. Always good with more dices. We also got a set of binoculars more. I don't know, can you actually fold this out and use it for something, or is it just like binoculars or something like that? Just filler. Let's see what we got here. There should be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. More sleeves. Pretty as well. Pretty sleeves as well. Colorful. And a code card for all the code hunters. And more energies. If somebody need energies, comment down below. I got like lots, so yeah. Nobody should be needing that. What do we got here? The dividers. Yeah, always good. This is actually a pretty nice one. With the silver and all the colors and all that. Nice. ETBs for life. But let's get into the fun stuff. We need some alternative art as usual, yeah? You know what? We're just gonna, as we always do, we save the packs for last. Let's take the blister packs and see what we got in here. Come on, guys. Why I'm doing that on camera? I always do it to the side, you know? This means Umbreon is in this pack, you know? Got a nice little coin. Don't got that one yet, so that's perfect. Then we got the promo card. The Galarian Slowpoke. Hello. Woo! Nice. That is like, I don't know if I can't find out if his promo cards need to be a part of the Master Set to complete the Master Set, but I feel like it, so we're gonna get all the promo cards as well. Yeah. Got a code more for the code hunters. And we got a blister pack more. The Eevee one, the Eevee blister pack. Well done. And another new coin. Are people actually collecting the coins? I don't know. Of course I'm keeping them. I'm a collector. I can't throw shit out. I don't know why. I can't throw anything out. And a code more for the code hunters. And the promo card. Eevee. No swirls. No swirls? What? We need these beautiful swirls. I didn't even check, was there any swirls in this one? Nah, no swirls in this as well. Let's get into the fun part. All the packs. Let's get some loot. Next! And go. Gossifalur reverse hollow and Lilligant. Off to a bad start. I feel like I'm getting better at the names, but like I should be, because I've been opening like a couple of hundreds of these packs now, so I should learn the names as we go. Next! Feebas reverse hollow and Talonflame. Not a good start. Next! The reason why I'm doing this so weird looking away, I don't want to see the code cards anymore. I don't want to see if they're white or green or whatever they are. It needs to be exciting for me as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chinchou, reverse hollow, and Appleton. Not a good start. Next! Feebas reverse hollow again, and Grandpa. We are not lucky today. If you can hear some weird licking sounds in the background, it's my dog just chose to wash herself in the middle of the movie here. The movie, the great Pokemon movie, you know? Yeah. Next! Aroma Lady, reverse hollow, and we got this one. Mars Shadow hollow. At least it's a hollow, so at least it's a hollow. Next! If I don't seem as energetic as normal, it's because this is Friday afternoon. It's snowing here in Denmark, and I have been walking a long walk with my dog in the snow and getting in here to the heat. Like all of a sudden, I'm like, but I'm trying to keep the energy up. Yeah. This is gonna be a short one as well, only 10 packs. So yeah, let's get on with it. Leave energy. Love it. Alright. Raichu reverse hello. Perfect. We need that one. We don't have this one yet. And Flapple. Not so lucky with the rare ones today. Next! Might try something new today, like try talking a bit while I do the cards. Like I know you don't care too much for me reading up the names anyways. You all know the names and you can see them here. You've all seen all these cards a million times. But I think next time we're gonna be opening this one. Yeah, baby, more celebration, the big one, what's it called, the Pokemon Prime collection thingy. We got the binders and all that in there. I'm so bad at multitasking, like talking, pointing, doing cards at the same time. But yeah, we're gonna open that one next time, I think. So we can get some more celebration, the binders, the Jumbo binders and all that. Fun stuff in there. Beautifly, Pikachu, Applin, Moon and Sun Badge, reverse hollow, and Talonflame. We are not lucky today. Not so lucky today. Next! But yeah, I'm gonna be testing talking a little bit, not speeding everything up anymore, even though I find that hilarious to see myself, but that might just be myself, like to see myself be speeding up, that's funny. Fire Energy, Skiploom, Raihan, Rimbobee, Chinchou, Pichili, Dino. Oh, now I'm all fucking up again. God damn it! I should be getting better at this for each time. Like yeah. Focusing the card in the middle. Yeah, Dino, Teddiursa, Hitmonchan, Applin, reverse hollow, and ooh, nice. Salamence. We don't got this one. Yet. So that's perfect. Another card from for the binder. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Next! Eevee, reverse, hello. I actually think we need this one as well, so that's perfect. And oh, nice, nice, nice. Oh shit. Nice, nice, nice. We don't got this one. Actually, I think this is gonna result in one thing. I have to open the Vaporeon tin as well. I got a tin of each of the evolutions. This means we have to open the Vaporeon tin. Of course. This opening is only 10 packs anyway, so we need some more. This is going too fast, not enough loot. But this one is nice. Perfect. Yeah, baby. Next! Crystal Cave, reverse, hello. I don't think we got this one either, so that's perfect. And Pinsir. Yeah. Oh, this is stacking up quick. Just gonna clean up very fast. Be right back. Come on. You see this? This is only 10 packs. Only 10 packs. And we're back. Okay, that was way too quick. Not enough cards. I'm just gonna get the Vaporeon tin real fast. Be right back. This was actually meant for another video, but yeah, we need to open some more today. This one we might need. Oh no, the postal the postal service. The postal service has done it again. Come on. Yeah. And now, before I open it, this is actually my first tin ever. Pokemon tin ever. I'm a Pokemon tin virgin. So let's see what's in here. Ooh. And we got another promo card for what we need. Another Vaporeon. Can we take this out? What is the good way to do this? Like this? Yeah, that works. That's a nice card. Like, do we even believe it? Two Vaporeons in one day. Can it get better than that? I don't think so. And we got a code card. What do we got here? 4 additional packs. They're actually pretty nice, these tins. I got one of each, so yeah, there was supposed to be a video for himself, but yeah, we need some more today, and then we have some extras for some other videos. What do we got here? Evolving Skies, Chilling Range, Vivid Voltage, and a base pack Sword and Shield. What? Nice. But yeah, I wasn't actually prepared for this. I actually thought there was 4 Evolving Skies in there, but yeah, let's start with the Evolving Sky and clean up a little bit after that. We need Umbreon. I know I say it a lot, but we need Umbreon for the collection, goddammit. Let's get some pulls in this loose pack. Come on. On Danish, comes up, baby. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we got. Oh, I saw something shiny in the corner. Got a Water Energy, Sun and Moon Badge, Toy Catcher, Hippodon, Tentacool, Pumpkaboo, Bagon, Dufdish, Z-Dot, Reverse Hollow Vigoroth, and yeah, baby. Oh shit. Oh fuck. The censoring is not so good. Like, you see the bottom, and the top is way bigger, but fuck that shit. It's a gold card for the binder. Nice. This is actually my first gold card ever. That's not true. I opened a single gold card for a Chilling Rain pack. I got one of the gold cards from that one, but that doesn't mean shit. I'm not collecting that yet. That will come. This is for the collection. Nice. Gold. Inteleon? Is that his name? Yeah. Nice. And that is from one loose pack. Like, how does that work? Yeah, but I don't care. That's perfect. I got it. Nice. I'll just put all the Evolving Skies to the side, and we will keep on with the Chilling Reign, Vivid Voltage, and this is actually a Sword and Shield base set. I have not opened one of those yet. I have opened the other ones, like from loose stuff, from some of the, what was it called, the Zekrom, what was that? Zekrom Pikachu GX box, I think, and some of the others. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean up fast and be right back with you. Let this shit stack up fast. But let's start with the Vivid Voltage. This one, I can feel, it feels heavy. I can feel the fat Pikachu here, the fat rainbow Pikachu. Yeah, let's get it. Next! Can you feel how my energy level is just rising from the good loot? I just need good loot in my life and I'm gonna never sleep again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fat rainbow Pikachu. Come on. Psychic energy. Kakuna. It's always weird for me to open something else than Evolving Sky or Celebration, because that's almost only what I've been opening here, like since I've started collecting this year again. So yeah, but it's kind of nice to see like this. I don't think Kakuna is an Evolving Sky, or it is not, and that is one of the base Pokemons, and I always like the base Pokemons. But let's get on with it. Kakuna. Something bad. What the fuck is this? Stunfish. It looks like a mix of a bear trap and a fish, yeah, or something like that. And that's a Galarian even. I'm not even sure what that means, but yeah, I have to look that up because I have been wondering that actually. Ferroseed. Riolu. Sandil. Vilmer. Weedle. Nice. Let me say this name correct this time. Zacian. Yeah, Zacian. And I don't even remember what those are called, the little A thingy there. But that is nice. That's indeed a rare card. And I have to start collecting Vivid Voltage as well now. This is gonna be an expensive journey. What do we got in the end? A Grapploct. Yeah. That was nice. That was a nice one. Let's get on with the Chilling Reign. And the reverse hollow, Scroll of Piercing, and I have to start collecting Chilling Reign as well now. The full art trainer card, Peony. Nice. What the yeah, the 10 first pack we basically don't get anything, and all the loose packs we get all the good stuff. I might have to open some of those 10s. Yeah. Nice. I feel like in the end I'm gonna be collecting all the sets, but I feel also like I have to do one at a time. Like we're doing Evolving Skies and Celebration now, focusing on those, and when we have only a few chase cards or a little less chase cards left in those, we're gonna step on to the next. I'm just shaking the table all over today and rambling again, but then we're gonna start focusing more on collecting the other sets. Yeah, but this is a nice one as well, a full art trainer card. Perfect. Let's just keep a little bit organized here. And now to the new pack. Well, not the new pack, actually it's the older of all the packs. The base set Sword and Shield. I've not opened any of these before, so yeah, this is gonna be fun. Next! Hopefully this is nice. Set this on shield. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we got 5 energy. Missile Sorcerer. Eat more. First one. Cobus. Gamer. Just beat. On your. Reverse Hollow, Ferroseed, and a Poltergeist. But yeah, tins are good apparently. That was a lucky tin for me at least. That was a good card. A full trainer card, and talking is hard. Is this what do we call those alternative arts as well, or what is they for? I don't remember. I've heard it before, but I can't remember. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean up a bit and get all the good loot here. Yeah. Be right back. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Let's start with this one. The Vaporeon VMAX. Nice. That is so perfect. We needed that for sure. My camera is getting bigger every time, so I got a little less space because things gotta fit with the background and all that. And let's get on to the next pick, or actually the biggest hit, I think. That's so nice. That is so nice. A gold card. I love gold. I don't know if you have noticed. Yeah. Oh. Nice. I'm happy with that one. Indeed. Let's take the full trainer card. That's a nice one as well, even though it's not one of my focus set, but still nice. Still a nice pool, still nice loot. And the Zacian. For the longest I called him Zacian. Zacian. I know. That's a nice one as well. And then we got the promo card from the 10. There is one of each evolutions. I've said that a couple of times, but there's a promo card for each of them, and I feel like I'm counting that towards the promos for the master set of the Evolving Skies, I believe. I know I've heard somebody just makes instead they make a binder just for the promo cards for all of the sword and shields promo cards. I believe like there's the number down here. So they make a binder just with sword and shields promo cards, but yeah, for now I'm just gonna put them into the back of my Evolving Skies binder. I'm gonna put this one in here as well because I know it's just a hollow, but I don't got it, so yeah. It's a good pull for me. And last but not least, the two other promo cards from the blister packs. Blister promos. Whoop. Eevee. Always nice with the Eevee. Would be nice if it had a swirl. That's looking good. I have not gotten a card with a swirl yet, so I still need to get that at some point, but it will come. We still got plenty of stuff to open. And that's why you need to follow the Instagram. You can see all the products I buy. I like last I think it was a couple of days ago, so I posted a picture of whole the collection. Like I have a closet, a secret Pokemon closet where it's just filling up. Like there's almost not room for anything more. I wish I had more time to make videos and open the stuff, but I work a full-time job besides this and I have a lot of shit to do beyond it, so I open as much card as I can. Like basically I try to do it twice a week to make like more or less 2 videos a week, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. For now I'm actually doing it, but yeah, it takes a lot of time, and when you have a dog and a house and all that kind of shit, you know, there's a lot of other stuff to do. But I hope you enjoyed the video. This was one of the shorter ones, and leave a like, comment, subscribe, Instagram, all that funky shit if you want to. Only if you want to. Nobody is forcing you. But yeah. See you around. Bye. Or something.